If you love summer's sweet and juicy strawberries, give this dessert a try. The berries are sliced and layered on top of angel food cake with sweetened cream cheese filling. We start by cutting or crumbling a 10-inch angel food cake into bite-sized pieces. You can pick up the cake from your local bakery or make your favorite recipe. Next, beat together 2 8-ounce packages of softened cream cheese and 1 cup of sugar, or less to taste, with an electric mixer until light and fluffy. To the cream cheese, add 1 8-ounce container of thawed frozen whipped topping and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract if you wish, and fold to incorporate. Then, mix together 1 quart of sliced fresh strawberries with 1 18-ounce jar of strawberry glaze. We're going to start with the angel food cake layer on the bottom of a trifle dish. If you don't have one, go ahead and use a serving bowl or individual clear containers. Follow the cake layer with whipped cream cheese and strawberries, repeating until you use up all the ingredients. It's best to let the dessert chill before serving to give the layers a chance to mingle and get even more delicious. A few mint leaves and perhaps an extra dollop of whipped cream give this a nice finishing touch.